Hi, I'm Carolina Ozma, Senior Marketing Associate at The Assignment Media. We are here today to talk about PRSA New York and the Big Apple Awards. With us, we have Maria Ramirez, a previous winner of the 15 Under 35 Awards.
Hey, Carolina.
Hi, so you were a winner. Congratulations on your win. Can you tell us a little bit about winning and what that experience was like?
Yeah, so when I was nominated by a couple of my former colleagues, they let me know. But I think once I got that final confirmation that I was one of the winners, it was the most exciting phone call I probably have gotten. They actually emailed me in the middle of the night, and I was, very blessed to have had that opportunity for them to nominate me. So far, so good.
Yeah, it is such a humbling experience. And then can you tell us a little bit about how winning the 15 Under 35 has helped you currently in your career now?
Yes, so being a winner of the PRSA 15 Under 35 has been very, very beneficial to my career. I think now as Public Relations Manager for Fidelis Care, which is a New York State health plan, it's definitely opened a lot of opportunities for me, a lot of doors. The exposure I've gotten internally has been absolutely incredible. The number of projects I've been able to work on ever since becoming a winner has been really eye-opening and beneficial to my career. So definitely something I appreciate.
Yeah. And so would you like to share maybe some tips to people that would also like to be nominated or maybe be part of the Big Apple Awards, even if it's just volunteering or participating? What are some tips that you have for PR professionals?
I think for PR professionals, definitely a tip that I would say is definitely keep in touch with your network and those that you've worked with along the way throughout your career. It's very important to continue to nourish those relationships because at the end of the day, those are the people that know you most professionally. So I think networking is something key, especially if you want to, be nominated for several awards. It's very important to know who you're reaching out to as far as being your biggest advocates.
Yeah, networking is absolutely important. And then we also know that you went from working directly with PR at PR agencies, and now you're working at Fidelis Care. And so can you tell us about your transition of what it was like from going directly from PR to a more specified field?
Yeah. I can tell you that starting off in my career, I worked in different PR agencies. So I worked at Edelman, at Havas, Allison Broad Communications, and then making that transition over to Fidelis Care, which is an in-house position as Public Relations Manager, has been very eye-opening for me in terms of the exposure I'm getting with specifically to a brand. So before I would focus on different CPG brands or lifestyle brands or beauty brands, even beauty products, but now just focusing on one single thing has been very eye-opening from a strategic perspective because I get to give it that 360 view of what I'm working on.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Maria, thank you so much for coming on. It was a pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
And thank you to our audience for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.